passive chuan I do my homework ania pero I do my homework. I subject do verb homework. My homework is a object. Passive alone you don't join. My homework is done by me. Active sentence kan ni isa pa ngai ang ka anita to sentence kan ni isa pa ngai to explanation pa ngai coming to lot from class 7 you have to study what is the right tenses or not. So passive katla min kasoy explain daw nga to rules that express to general rules to express what is a passive voice. Passive voice general rules sa tan kanin hey apoy mo do na to allow chin sia do inom so this is the right time. Okay, number 1 the passive voice is formed by using appropriate forms of the verb be ganti kanya with the third form of the main verb. Third form kan manchin passive voice at third form back aling lo to first form of the verb that is not in the passive voice, second form of the verb ko aling what, third form of the verb back kan mang tiang lo ni so tito second one the object take place of the subject. Object kanin subject din mun ka. Object kanin subject din mun ka aron wa lan ni so chetamen object to tenses le voice kan ti kha ai kal du ni so ama ka explain to ang thau kan I example adama siama to adama ami asiama to chuanin ako pui o mang mi ni cha vi siama anak ku khan po chen sakta khatyang se khanin voice tense le voice khanin tenses formula chen khatka voice chunga kan da luta voice wang chunga kan vasun ve a ma se to voice formula shan pa chuanin passive chuanin formula shan pa ni mo te kharon me ya khate khanita ni chan pathum na tan cha for number 3 for the rules the subject is either left out or mentioned at the end as a mere agent kanti ang a subject ka atop lang panga kan apoy mo tolo tin nila win atop lang panga kan kan ziak lang beta sha cha ani umja chu subject ka nunga kala object in maron swai be to ani chu passive so kan shi kyamen so number 4 the verb does not change but it forms only. Our form ka the verb does not change its tense a tense ka a verb kan attack don lawa a form a tia ka aron sik soy dang lam rebat ni ani naka omja chu tui in na ni chuanin tui kha ala em rem do na ma se tui in dan kha kan thak dang lam ni so soi dan ka kan she kya mem ka ti an si kha ni ta a ti chuan for the pangana tan chuan passive voice a han preposition changka em la poi mo ni preposition tel lawin asoi le the law ni chu omja chu preposition na ta mostly we use by preposition by by kan ti by by lawin by kan ti kha kan hmang tlang puya but aman thela ukun chen khat khala via chunga tan chuan preposition na tan chuan to kan ti te with at in kan ti ang hau kha kan hmang china ni ang hau kan hmang ka pui ta ni te chuan a formula chunga kan kala passive voice active voice can to the form of the verb which shows the importance of the subject, the doers of the action. Ngai poi mo tu kha kami sentence doers of the action a subject ron mas sak na ngai poi mo tu kha active voice kan ti chu ni a chuanin passive voice chuanin the form of the verb it shows the importance of the receiver a object ka ngai poi mo sa tu kha passive voice kan ti chu ni ti chuanin voice chunga chuanin tense kha kan da vele don ta ni chuan chu tense chuan present tense kan neya past tense kan neya future tense kan nei bo kan tero chung how to akal form vele dona I think someone is here chatting. Please stop chatting. Chat ang do ka karon na mo message lo tiktok share le are do law I won't be long. Okay chuanin present indefinite tense lo om betani chuanin kan sorte ta ni voice chuan tense formula chen khata kan sorte to be kan sorte to present tense, the present tense kan tiakan present indefinite tense, also known as simple present tense, and the present continuous tense following the present perfect tense. Chumi ti pathum cha usukan nei don. Kan shito ni kuman zir to. Oh hi ennon na anga kan ani. Law la shetya law kanon pon shetya na law mantur. Oh Yetsuanin present perfect continuous and perfect continuous tense shimshima ka voice chunga chuan a ve to lawa an pai chua ka ni chu chuan indefinite continuous present perfect tense don ta ni chuan indefinite tense kan clear ma sa ang te ting ka soinga ka kalpui ru do lo zewa chuan chang ta ni lo ngai thanga in sha tiang the nan. So the present indefinite tense lo the active voice lo the active voice pa ngai chuan ama ka soi to kanin tense formula pa ngai ka atro mani. What is the present indefinite tense formula kan ti chuan engeni ka active voice ta present indefinite tense in tang anwaya lo jak duin chuan I see someone is writing, so jak du dangin lo chuan present indefinite tense in tang active voice ti kha noya in jak nga tira ma kan je ang tho khani chuan subject plus first form of the verb plus s or es plus object kan ti kani subject plus first form of the verb plus s or es plus object to be used with he she it kan dia do or does for negative and interrogative sentences is a must to write down. Okay, to be used with he she it apoy mo do or does for negative and interrogative sentences ti kha kan zialan kha achulan ni sansu kan lo thei ni le chin ti chuan chu present indefinite tense chunga active voice formula chu ni a har lo tro tense present indefinite tense kha kam formula kha ni active voice ti zialan kha ni tan ti chu anwaya chuan there comes the passive voice ron lu che passive voice. What is passive voice kan ti chuanin passive voice chu na ma ka so ang the verb form which shows the importance of the receiver object ngai poi mo na karon lang don ta chuang cha subject a chan do lawin object plus alam to don itro object plus anya ti chuan heta hnuai mi kan na chawa is mr object plus is mr plus a form of the verb kan ti han ka soi to with the third form of the main verb kan ti third form ba ka leng law kan ti ka chuang cha object plus is mr plus third form of the verb plus subject. Object plus is mr plus third form of the verb plus subject. And so khang kha anita ni so I do my homework. Hello nita, my homework is done by you. Kanti ang sikha. My homework is done by you. Kanti ang sikha niya. So he's again. Apangay makas kapik sa thaw kapik nga example tan active voice example tan the teacher teaches the children kalong tan active voice example ni so the teacher teaches the children je dir tu chuan no pangte aje dir mo the teacher teaches the children so passive voice example tan khan a formula khan ente ule formula chang khan ti dan tu khala om ha pero object plus is mr plus third form of the verb plus subject di khala uma the teacher teaches the children the passive voice kan le don so and thing in object kala chawa the children are teaches ka third form of the verb kan da don so and thing in taught the children are taught preposition man tur katita eta preposition kan man chin ka inge ka by di katero the children are taught by the teacher ani naka ala omani so ani na ang akhan ala omani so chuan who used to study during lockdown Raj Chakma see I am going to repeat I don't want you to chat there. If you have a questions or if you want to ask something, you can ask me out, but not there. Understand? This is for you. So we're trying our best to teach you here. I don't want any chit chat on that. Are we clear? Okay. if you do not want to be here, you can left or whatever. Okay, adang lauti bai so kasoy to ang kan. Let it on present indefinite tense kakem kan soy belang. Present indefinite tense kan soy bel don. Chung present indefinite tense kan soy bel na tu chu for example ka pe chengwa I chiang kan kal theina na ni there is time tema chung chon chang do long ai thak tur number 1 na tan I read a poem ti lo ma active voice ni tu active to passive in kan thak zel don passive kan soy mas don na active to passive in kan kalon ni bernan I read a poem that is an active voice. It's one passive voice can talk don't join it. I ka subject anya read ka tina kan kasoy to verb anya a poem kan ti ka object ani object plus ni ron kal don bangin a poem ron kal masanga a poem ani ron kal masanga is mr ti ka passive voice ka ni tina formula ka inzia ka an ula a poem is anya a poem r ni thelo a poem m on thelo a poem is anya third form of the verb is read anya subject him azuya by me. A poem is read by me. Understand? Kan siya tiyamin. Got it? Okay. There's another here. Kan tiyamlo. Hello. Does he carry a bag? Does he carry a bag? Beka akem. Beka kingem. Well, does he carry a bag? That is a question. Question akan do or does for negative and interrogative sentences di kanya it's one passive voice akan do or does ka allow telbeta sila bangin formula kan is mr so does to is mr kan ti to kan mang don tan itu does ay akan does he carry a bag bag ka pakat ay tamil jang lawa bag pakat sia ani ti ka sia ngatiro so bansan a bag is anyang a bag are an thailawa a bag is what carried, C-A-R-R-I-E-D. A bag is carried by him. Question mark. Zona to zona lang zel tawang. Passive voice kan thak awanga zona bow kha thiang la wati dan tur ni lawa zona ani chung jan passive voice I le pon zona lang reng don ti na ni chu kan shatiam tro does he carry a bag anya question oma is a bag carried by him kan ni dan it's one more thing tunami ang chi thau khak kan ti tiang do you read this book do you read this book do you read this book ele ka bu hi chia to amok whatever khanta do you read this book ti chan passive voice kan nam thak don chuan do kha ingin nge ron kal thawang ara ni thayam do hi can it be no right is this book read by you question mark zona alani do you read this book is this book read by you zak ka azak how kan zak zero le azak lo po ka infinity ka silang mase it's better to write it down understand do you read this book passive voice ni don chuan is this book read by you one more thing pakhat le cha kan ti leng at chuan continuous kan kayang what do you do zona ni tero what akal san don na passive what the hip active aro da min khoyama atun bera what by what do you know tail only so chuan what ka ani na khan ading don remains there okay what do you do anyak passive voice kan le don chuan do ka isa kan le chin kan tita what is done by you alon don tani what is done by you kan siya tiamin what is done by you okay let's move on to the next that is the present indefinite tense so akne omka present continuous tense present continuous tense ka alo omta to present continuous tense active voice formula to subject plus what is mr plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object kan tikani subject plus is mr plus first form of the verb plus ing plus subject kan tikani ito anin chung apa ngai je ka ti kha kan shi tham tro tense formula pa ngai ka active voice chon aneya passive voice tan chau kan thil in thak theng omani kan ti to ka chuan chan tense ka koi mo ka ti ka sun nan le lo kan ni koi mo em wangin chon passive voice tan chon object ron kal masa object plus is MR plus ania third form le ing akal kop thelo ni chu la wanted tilo omta third form ani ta wanting khan do ni ing kan bel chan opposite om thelo ni chu ko chuban chanin ing ne na kal the velo bang khan object plus is MR plus BEING being kan ti kharon tel don cha tani aron chan chwak ni chu a sentence diklau tur kha object plus is MR plus being plus third form of the verb plus subject subject ha nu zo kan ti kha passive achon object plus I repeat object plus is MR plus being plus third form of the verb plus what subject. Okay, so example atan active voice example atan chuani the teacher is teaching the children. Active voice atan the teacher is teaching is MR plus ing first form of the verb plus ing. The teacher is teaching the children. So passive voice formula tan chuan the children kalma sanga tro formula ka han chhodle tole object plus is MR plus being ania third formula ania subject ator bera omta chuan achina kan sub object ka heta mar umdon bangin the children ania children su pakhat ai amani bangin the children are being taught by the teacher. Got it? Kan sẽ thêm sang thế mà som toang thế kan sẽ thấy đó. So thì cho khá thế khá ni ta ni khá mi bi cái present continuous tense voice formula cho khá ni ta example ghép thế kan soi le nga ai chiang kan shat thế nan cho nên khát chú anh ni I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. I cut subject and yeah, am subject plus is MR plus I am writing. First form of the verb plus ing. I am writing plus object a letter. I am writing a letter. Di kan itan di chuan chu passive voice kan da don chuan object kan masa kan ti khatero a letter is what a letter is BEING being third form of the verb written. Writing and it lawa third form of the verb ni dong bang being written by me. Katiang a letter is being written by me. Kan siya kaya. Letter is being written by me. Okay. John adang le question book hakan katiang why are you making a noise? Why are you making a noise? Why are you making a noise? Why ka attack thing tolo kanti ka mun nga da thebelo ka zona ni do na bang dro do te ni lo chuan r kanti is MR kanti was or where ani lo chuan why what where kanti how kanti angka zona bi liang dewan ni bangin angai ang na huna kan at chan hun ka so son ji ani velawa why are you making a noise ani chuanin why is a noise ngatinge is ani te attention to noise ka til pakatan ni dero why is noise being made making ka third form alone ni don chan made made why is a noise being made by you ikalang ni tani jang why is a noise being made by you an shit ya me an shit yam karing pakhat cha ka soile nga ti chuan move on ya okay katahan are you drawing a picture? Are you drawing a picture? Are you drawing a picture? Passive voice han thak don te o kaka intinge nya han in bong bong ula are you drawing a picture ti chu ngai thak tok khachu thiap thei vak lo in thak te ngai no man ve ka ngai o ngai thak tok khachu ngai thak liam thei lu to ka chuwa chan klema in real no sen ve do lo khachu kanin shin mol to pani don chuwa chan are you drawing a picture? Is a picture again an action ka yes being BING is a picture being drawn by you is a picture being drawn by you an siya kyamin atite khan this one heta present perfect tense kan end present perfect tense kan ti voice so nga na all sam lu to ka formula ang te ulu to ka enga moni kan add thil pakhat passive kan add zeu ti lo chu voice chunga chuan perfect tense a ul ber nge chu wang chuan chat thei bera present perfect tense active voice formula tan chuan present perfect tense pangai kan hmanga that is subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb plus object. Subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb plus object kan hmanga ni. Pero chuan passive voice chuan engtin yelo omne object amasa kan ti to ang khan so nun lenga object alaw kalanga passive voice for the passive voice formula of the present perfect tense will be object plus has or have plus been been alaw ito ang been beloy kan tiang chi khan ilaw beloy ra khan na been 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 plus third form of the verb plus subject. Got it? Object plus has or have plus been plus third form of the verb plus subject. That is the formula for the present tense of the voice. That is example atan chuan the children has the teacher has taught the children. That is active example. The teacher has taught the children. Example passive the children and the children to wang khan has le have man kha khoi zunge kan man tu ni chuan have kha plural kan soina ni a have alo kalanga the children have been taught by the teacher. The children have been taught by the teacher. Hatte me khani o samlu tu ani chuan a formula pa ngai atan kami example kha pahi khat ka pele cheunga chuan lo ngai thale ula ziak na khajan lo ziak le bu ula be kwal wa ro chung khan ni ngai thak lak tur huna khan tur ani Number 1, the farmer hates tilang. Have you read this story? Have you read this story? Active voice kan say masazil active to passive ani ka. Have you read this story? John passive atan have you read this story na story ti kha pakhatan ni bangin has inala olonga has this story been read by you? Has this story been read by you? Has this story been read by you? Have you read this story? Passive voice atan has the story been read by you? Okay. What have you done? Active for the active. What have you done? What have you done? What have you done? What kakal sondon law kanti ka? What has been done by you? What has been done by you? Question mark katay ni niya law to ni kina zone. Kaya ron changa exam de law mga active voice zo na ni sika passive voice khan zo na ni lo ti kha atik thelo bangin question mark ka no ta po kha da thei ni lo to ni what have you done? Passive tan cho what has been done by you ti khala ni ta ni ti cho pa hi khal kan ti le lo gang who has won the gold medal? Who has won the gold medal? Tunge gold medal ka dong who has won the gold medal? Ti cho passive khan lo don ta ni who has won the gold medal? Who alaw ni hianin ni maing ka shito sewa midang pon ang shito sewa kan list dang pon pero who alaw ni kanin passive voice tan chan by whom I translate it on ni by whom din nakal don ni so who ka passive voice chan by whom nakal so just install it in your brain or wherever in memory card ka install rule who ani chan by whom nakalang who has won the gold medal? Passive voice kan thak don chuan by whom has the gold medal been won? By whom has the gold medal been won? An shi tiam tro pakhat ka soi le lo kang rate to lawang just bear with me, I'm almost done with it. Has John not cleaned the blackboard? Has John not cleaned the blackboard? John and so on in blackboard to follow me. Animator. Has John not cleaned the blackboard? question on the John blackboard cup and I have in tuck song don't know has the blackboard not been cleaned by John? Has the blackboard not been cleaned by John? Has the blackboard not been cleaned by John? Question mark. Those are the present tense for the voice formula. Voice formula chunga present tense. Voice chunga voice chunga present tense formula I am going to repeat it. I want you to go through what you have written down. Azak in omti kasi azak how kan entule azak re jalo kazu tushan ni se kang hautan kan yang mani shat to shimsha tan pang karon soy non liang. The present tense. So active and passive voice, the present tense. Number 1, present indefinite tense, also known as simple present tense. Active voice, subject plus first form of the verb plus s or es plus object, to be used with he, she, it, do or does for negative and interrogative sentences. Passive voice, object plus is mr plus, third form of the verb plus subject. Present continuous tense, active voice, subject plus is mr plus, first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Kanya passive voice atan, object plus is mr plus, being plus third form of the verb plus subject. So the last one, that is the present tense, present perfect tense, that is active voice, subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb plus object. Anya it's on passive voice atan, object plus has or have plus been, been, been plus third form of the verb plus what subject. Yes. Kate kani next class I want you to go through it. Understand? I want you to go through it till this man makes a man perfect. And it end late see la uswani assurance ya India in tiam la abul chang bu azirle ngaya a confusing china. So I want you to go back through that so that we can continue the past tense for the voice in the next class. Understand? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.